This is the Merrill Hide202 centering collar for the pipe on the Merrill hydrant line. Now hydrant, that's HIDE-DRANT. It's like a concealed style hydrant. Now first starting with just the top of the cap. I know it's hard for the camera to focus on it, but there are the words install and then the directional arrows that show which way to turn it when you're installing, which is going to be right to tighten, and then it's also going to have the remove, so left. And then you've got Merrill MFG from Merrill Manufacturing, and then hand tight only. And then flipping to the bottom, right there in the center, you got an O-ring right near the bottom, and then another fiber or O-ring right there inside at the bottom. And then on the sides, you can kind of see these little hooks. That's what's going to twist and lock that into place. Now, getting a couple dimensions, starting outer diameter at the cap, we're going to be right at about 2 3/8 inches. Then going to inner diameter of the opening, we'll be right at 1 inch. Then flipping to the bottom, outer diameter here should be slightly less than the cap. And yeah, it's going to be right at about 2 1/4. Then the outer diameter here at that center piece, we're going to be right at about, just right at about 1 4/8 inches, maybe a little less. And once again, this is the Merrill Hide202 centering collar for the pipe on the Merrill hydrant line.